Alright everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Now in today's video we are in a SEAT Ibiza FR and that is because the lovely people over at Marmalade Car Insurance has sent me out the car for the whole week to test, review, and I've actually done a whole video on this car over on the Marmalade channel, so if you guys want to check that out, all the links will be down in the description. If you're wondering who Marmalade are, I'm just going to explain a little bit about what they do. So what Marmalade are is an insurance company to help you young drivers get on the road in a more affordable way. They also offer brand new cars on finance with 12 months free insurance. All the cars they offer come with 12 months tax, a manufacturer's warranty, 12 months breakdown cover, and the option to have the car delivered directly to your door. So obviously buying a new car is quite an expensive thing. So what Marmalade has done is design an easy website to use and created a straightforward finance calculator. Buying a car is a big purchase, so you want to make sure you have the spec of your choice, and what Marmalade has done is given you the option to do just that. You can choose from colour to different trims and also choose the engine size and transmission. So now you've had a quick overview of Marmalade themselves, let's get into the video. Okay, so now you know a little bit about Marmalade. I'll put some shots over so you can see what it's like in the daytime, what the car looks like. Okay, let's get going. So yeah, in the video I did with Marmalade, I literally just went through everything about the car, the features it has, and all that. So yeah, literally check out the link below if you're very interested in a car like this. And if you want to know how you can get a brand new car as your first car with free insurance included, I explain it all in the video. So seriously, go check that out. But yeah, let's get on with the video. This is an automatic as well, so put it in drive, handbrake down, and let's go find some nice roads. But yeah, straight away as we're going down these country lanes, you can see how nice all the interior is. The virtual dash and the center screen is so well put together, and it's got Apple CarPlay as well, Bluetooth, and yeah, it's just really nice. It's a nice place to be. It's got Alcantara seats, it's got red stitching, and it's, yeah, the interior lighting is really nice under the door cards and in the footwells. But yeah, no, it's just a really nice place to be. And because this particular car is automatic, it's very easy to drive. It's one of the easiest. Well, it's the only automatic I've ever driven. It's the first one that I've driven, so it's different driving experience to manual, but it's nice. Yeah, we're in eco at the moment, but yeah, I want to show you guys some of the different features that this car does. We've got different drive modes. So at the moment we're in eco. It's really economical, 7-speed manual. But I'm going to put it into sport mode. There's a little button down just on my left that's easy to press, nice big button. So I'm going to press that and put it into normal mode. So that just makes it a little bit more responsive, but still refined. It's just its comfort mode basically, when you're not looking to max out the miles, but you just want a nice smooth ride. That's what this mode's for. Yeah, this car's got plenty speed. Put your foot down, it does move. 0 to 60 in this thing is 10 seconds, so it's quick enough. It's plenty quick enough. You know, it pushes you back in your seat a little bit. It's really nice. It's about 110 horsepower. But yeah, as you guys love the POVs, you know, I thought do a nighttime one, switch it up. New car as well. I've got this car. This car is actually leaving tomorrow, unfortunately. But yeah, no, I've loved owning it over the past week. I've driven it every day, and it's been faultless. You know, having a brand new car. I'm going to quickly put it into manual mode as well, so we can go through the gears. Just for the flappy paddles. So nice. And the dials, the dials I have to show you as well. They have a special feature. But accelerate out, and it goes. And then you just flick it over back into drive, and away we go. But yeah, what I was saying with the dials is that if you press this little button on the steering wheel view here, you press it and you can go like this. So you can go full sat nav as well. You can change the modes on here to different sat navs and all of that, cruise control, there's the sat nav. But the best view, look at that, how cool is that? Put it back into manual mode, go down the gears. The way, the virtual dash is actually a really rare option in a car like this, but it's one I 100% recommend. And with Marmalade you can actually spec the car of your choice, because it's a brand new car you're buying, you can actually spec it. But yeah, I'm gonna now switch it down into sport mode, down there you go, into sport mode. And what this does is it stiffens the whole car up, so the throttle response is now a lot sharper. It makes, when you're in automatic like this, where we've got the sport, it says S6 for, it's almost like sport transmission, and this basically is just making it so the revs, it holds the revs a bit longer, it's more responsive when you put your foot down, so it changes down. That's only half throttle, but when you put it into manual mode and go through the gears, when it's in sport, it stiffens up this, oh, it's just said the roadworks, okay. It stiffens up the suspension as well, so it rides a bit firmer, but it still rides nicely, you know. It's not uncomfortable. It rides really nice. Oh god, roadworks. I mean, it did just say that. I am an idiot. But yeah, in automatic, just cruising through town. It's just nice, easy, relaxing. Oh, classic. Of course we get caught by the blimmin' lights. Still has that new car smell. It's the best smell. What the hell? It was a freight train. Alright, hill start assist, and away we go. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this car down below, whether you like it, whether you don't. I love it personally, it's so nice. Getting to a little bit of a country road now, so I'm going to flick it into manual. Alright, let's go. It's nice when you find a road like this, just because you can go through the gears, have fun. I've driven this road 100 times. It gets better every single time. This car does handle nicely as well. I mean, I'm not even pushing it anywhere near its limits, but it does sound good. But yeah, I think this is going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed the nighttime POV and this car, leave a like and subscribe down below, and let me know what you think of the car as well. And also go check out Marmalade's channel, check out the video I did for them on there, give it a like, share it around, and also check out all their socials and ours as well. They'll all be down in the description. Thank you again to Marmalade as well for sending out the car. Can't thank you guys enough. It's been great fun having this for a week. But yeah,